What up, what up, what up? Man, you guys got me all nervous.
You're nervous?
I'm nervous. It's like, now I just want to show off my curls.
You gotta do an intro.
I don't know how to do.
What's up, YouTube? It's Kay, and I'm back with another video. Yeah.
Okay.
To get started with the video, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below and give this video a thumbs up. Yup. Yeah.
This video's a thumbs up. That's kind of weird. Look at how my hand looks.
If you wanted to do the Queen and Clarence one, I'm back with another for your mother.
Oh, that's funny.
Yeah.
That's funny. I actually don't watch them.
I did in Clarence.
So we're about to leave, and just kidding. So we're gonna do a little mini makeup tutorial for you guys. It's gonna literally be like 1 minute long. So stay tuned. I recommend that you take your jacket off, but I can take it off.
You know, I had to represent its victory one day.
I'm taking them off. Don't judge me. I'm not James Charles. I'm not freaking Jeffree Star. Okay, guys. I wish I was. You ever done makeup before?
On myself, no. Or on anybody.
On anybody?
Everybody's always done my makeup for me.
Oh, okay. Well, this is great.
Let me move this way.
Move this out the way. Tap it. Thank God I'm not. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Oh my
God.
gosh. This is a hazard. I am reporting this. Priming the face. Yeah, guys, I don't know what I'm doing, okay? So don't be like, that's how you're supposed to do that! Because I don't care, okay? This is the what you're not supposed to do video. So whoever wants to watch this, I'm just doing my own thing. I'm just doing me. Let's see. I know this is a little aggressive, but actually not bad. Not bad. It's not all the way correct, but hey. Concealer. This is in the color. Color is this? Tan.
I'm not tan.
Tan.
I'm pale.
You have some really long lashes. Holy moly.
Thank you. Is that what I'm supposed to say?
Yeah. Okay. I know. I always thought about that. Hey, you have really long lashes. Okay. Like, what do you say? God, you can tell you don't wear makeup. Like,
exactly.
Because of the way you're reacting to this. You're probably looking at home like, what the heck is she doing? Like, okay.
And she's just gonna use a sponge. I bet you anything.
Yeah. Bronzer.
Oh, she said attempt.
Attempt. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna rub that. It's probably not how you're supposed to do it, but you guys are gonna be shook when you like see the final result. You're gonna be like, damn. Next side. Oh yeah. This is not how you're supposed to blend that.
And I wouldn't know because I don't wear
She wouldn't
makeup.
know, so she's not even gonna say anything.
I don't really care.
I hope she likes it. Probably not even that really bad.
We're gonna let them comment what they
We'll
think.
let them comment. I don't even know why I do that, but I'm just baking section, and I don't know what I'm doing. I just saw this other day on James Charles' channel, and I was like,
Why am I
let's
letting
try
her do
this.
Oh my god. I have no idea why I'm letting her do this, y'all.
Oh gosh. It's not even straight. Is in place. You know what I'm saying? Next eye. The eyelids. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe Psych. Now I don't know what this brush is called. She wants to look like
Simple, natural look.
a simple, natural look. Going in with my Morphe palette. I was gonna get the James Charles one, but it was sold out, so we got this one. All right. What color would you like today? Brown, simple brown.
I guess so.
All right, let's do that. Going in with Gossip here, applying that to the eyelids.
It's getting serious on this track, ma'am.
we can take this stuff off her face. Turn this way.
Oh my god.
Let's take that off. Let's take that off. And then let's go to the other side and take the other side off because we're gonna
Take it off.
Yeah, girl. Yes, girl. Presetting. Before we do the I learned that from somewhere. Some highlighter. That was $1. Excuse my nails. Look at this highlight here. You probably can't see it. There it is. Highlight on like 100. Like, look at that. Freaking beautiful.
And then this one.
Alright. Look at me, and then I'm gonna put a little bit on your nose because I don't know why people do that, but they just do it. So I'm gonna do it. And the mascara that we're using today is gonna be the Urban Decay Troublemaker. Girl. There it is. If someone says, do you have long lashes? Do you say thank you? Leave in the comments below. Yes. I'm gonna put a little bit on there.
I look crazy.
Yeah. You think you look crazy?
I don't know, I can't see.
That actually doesn't look bad. Like hair flip or something. I don't know.
Hair flip.
Freaking yes, yes, honey. No, what you gotta do is you put your head down and you dramatically put your head up in the camera. Do it.
Honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think
Great. You look freaking great. Like,
Why don't I believe you?
listen here. Now look inside. Look inside. Close your eyes. Yeah.
I didn't do an outro yesterday, so I'm gonna do it now. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.